like birbal so much?
A good question indeed.
Because people is very clever.
The next day in the palace, the King Akbar and the Queen decided to announce a task for all the ministers. What does the Queen say?
Give them all a day. Okay. We will prove our talent.
The ministers accept the challenge and say that they will prove their talent. And Akbar says,
Count the number of crows in the city by tomorrow.
"Ooh, that's a very difficult task."
Hey, is the king serious?
Is the king really serious? Birbal is very cool throughout the test. All the other ministers were very busy counting the crows in the city. After all, they had to outwit the minister Birbal. And so they start counting all the crows in the city.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The next day, the king is ready in the court. All the other ministers, except Birbal, were very pale. Let us see how are they able to present their result to the king.
Did you do the task? No, Your Majesty. We did not do. People, did you do? Yes, Your Majesty. Sarah. In the city. In the city.
Birbal says there are 1,000 crows in the city.
How did you know the number? If more, some came to relatives' house. If less, went to see the relatives. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Your Majesty, Birbal is very clever.
The ministers are forced to admit that Birbal is very clever.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Because even though the number that Birbal gave may be different from the number the king may count, that was easily explainable. Some of the crows just went to their relative's house. The minister...
Count number of crows in the city by tomorrow.
The ministers realized that the king wanted such a logical and witty reply and not the exact statistics of the crows in the city. They all had to praise Birbal now. That is a lesson not often learnt, but very important all the same. A big thank you to the LKG kids for bringing that out to us.